To add a shine effect to a photo in Canva, start by adding your image to the page. Go to Elements, then Shapes, and select a square. Resize the square to match your photo size. Change the square's color to black, then click Add a new color and select Gradient. Choose a diagonal gradient. Click the plus icon to add another color and change it to white, then drag the white stop to the middle so you have a white stripe across the square. Select both squares and image, right-click, and choose Download Selection as PNG. Upload the PNG back into Canva and delete the original square from the canvas. Go to Apps, search for Blend Image, and open it. Set the original photo as the bottom layer and the gradient image as the top layer, then choose Soft Light or Hard Light as the blend mode. Click Add to Design to apply the shine effect.